I'm Jane King at the NASDAQ. A lot of red ink and black gold, and one big oil company cutting thousands of jobs.
I'm Scott Gamm. Bill Ackman defending his investment in Valiant Pharmaceuticals in a conference call to investors.
I'm Rhonda Schaffler. A budget deal is reached in Washington early this morning.
Well, stocks open steady and quiet today. Starting today, we're going to see just how tough things are for the oil companies. Exxon Mobil said revenue and profits slid as oil prices tumbled, but results came in above Wall Street expectations. But the largest U.S. oil company had to cut spending to get there. And Chevron is cutting jobs. Not surprisingly, the CEO said third quarter earnings were down substantially from a year ago. And as a result of the lower oil prices, they will pull back on capital investment, resulting in the loss of 6,000 to 7,000 jobs.
And Jane, there was a big report Thursday getting a lot of attention on the earnings front.
Talking about Starbucks, it is looking to stay hot. It did see a jump in profit as new menu items and its mobile order and pay system got traction. Profit jumped 11%, but earnings were a little bit short of expectations. Now, Scott, what is activist investor Bill Ackman saying about Valiant this morning?
Well, the billionaire investor holding a conference call for investors defending his stake in Valiant Pharmaceuticals, a company that has faced great scrutiny after a report surfaced with a host of accounting fraud accusations, likening the company to Enron, which sent the stock tumbling, losing about a quarter of its value over the past week or so. At issue was Valiant's ties to specialty pharmacy Philidor, a relationship that has now been terminated amid the controversy. Ackman said specialty pharmacies make things more convenient for patients, though he said Valiant has underinvested in PR and government relations. The call is still going on. Meanwhile, Rhonda, in Washington, finally a budget deal.
That's right. They got it done in the wee hours of the morning, and basically this deal stops a U.S. default that would have occurred next week. The bill suspends the debt limit until March 2017. It also provides more federal money for both defense and domestic programs. Now, the bill also changes some IRS auditing rules covering private equity and hedge funds. In a statement, President Obama said that measure ensures that partnerships like hedge funds will pay what they owe in taxes, just like everybody else. That's it for us. Remember, check in with TheStreet.com all day long for more news and analysis.